For even the most seasoned researchers, workflows can sometimes break down. This video will present some real-life examples of how poor workflows can lead to serious problems. Your research workflow is like a map, and a reproducible workflow traces your path from one point to the next in your research process. Ideally, you would be able to retrace or exactly repeat any of the steps you have taken during your research. When you find yourself in trouble, the problem can be due to a variety of factors, such as not using the best tool for the job, not having strategies for data organization, or by failing to adequately document what steps were taken. Often these mishaps just lead to us spending more time finding files or needing to completely recreate our steps to repeat a step of our research process. But in some cases, they can lead to very serious consequences, even retraction.
Let's focus on two real-life data horror stories borrowed from a popular blog called Retraction Watch. Retraction Watch identifies instances where journals and other publications retract articles due to intentional and unintentional errors. These examples will serve as a platform to help us highlight some strategies you can use to make sure these nightmare scenarios don't happen to you. First, lost your data? Blame an earthquake. The research in this article was about brain tumors. The title of the article was Superoxide-Dependent Uptake of Vitamin C in Human Glioma Cells, and it was published in the Journal of Neurochemistry in 2013. But it was retracted in 2015 because their submission included placeholders for data. According to the authors, the missing data was due to a 2010 earthquake that caused the authors to lose the data that they had stored. From the tone of what I have read about this retraction, there seems to be some skepticism about how an earthquake caused the loss of data. So some suggestions for preventing a scenario like this would be to back up your data or use a trusted data storage tool in the cloud as to reduce the chance that you would lose your data, and to be transparent about missing data, especially since many journals and grants require that you share data. Next, Yale's psychology lab restricts monkey papers for inaccurate coding. The article, Enumeration of Objects and Substance in Non-Human Primates, Experiments with Brown Lemurs, was published in the journal Developmental Science in 2009. In 2013, the authors realized that their coding included human error. The authors requested the retraction. There was a formal investigation at Yale that discovered the inaccurate coding was not intentional, reckless, or negligent. Some suggestions for preventing a scenario like this would be to be consistent with how you label and name files and text within files. This may have prevented the human error involved in coding within this study. You may be able to select a tool that simplifies coding and identifies errors. Consider these features when selecting a tool. You might also use a script to automate the assignment of codes in a given tool. To summarize, here are 4 strategies we recommend to help you avoid retraction and other lesser but still annoying pitfalls of research collection and analysis. Backup data or use trusted data storage tools in the cloud. Be transparent about missing data. Journals and grants may require data sharing. Use a script to automate the assignment of codes. And select tools that simplify coding and identify errors. Need help or want more information on managing your files or improving your workflows? Contact research support in the College of Liberal Arts Lattice or your subjects librarian. Thank you for listening.